Okay, so I have 60 seconds to tell you 50 things I like. Let's go. Candles, music, keyboard, YouTube, food, The Hunger Games, makeup, fashion, shopping, rides, bananas, guitar, iPad, Tumblr, sun, beaches, reading, films, drama, art, school. Not really. Chocolate, jewellery, macaroons, cupcakes, baking, photography, nail polish, money, babies, Little Mix, Becky CJ, the 1975, orange, the colour, that is, owls, being scared, sleep, baths, mini eggs, accents, exercise. Yeah, really. Quiet, the dark, animals, designing stuff, tidiness, summer, autumn, cushions, and editing, which is what I'm about to do now. Bye.